we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Yuka app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to an exhibit. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here to looking for Yuka app, or just click here on search, then add here Yuka app is going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to next here. Just click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, so you click here on Play Store, then here search for Yuka, for it's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this, click on it, then it's going to, when you just click here on update, when it's going to show for you, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.